Yes. Thank you. Okay, my Jamaican breakfast. It's a lot of breakfast. You sharing this?
Yes.
Thank you. Today is actually my birthday photo shoot, which I decided to do a clear kayak flying dress with flowers photo shoot for my birthday. So our appointment time is 10 a.m. at the Old Hospital Beach. So I'm about to get my hair prepared, get my accessories, get my bag packed, and then we're gonna head out. The good thing is we're only about 4 minutes away from the location because we chose a really nice Airbnb that is in a great location right down in the hip strip area of the tourist part of Montego Bay. If you know anything about Montego Bay, we're like right near Bottom Road, but we're right next to the airport, yet we're right next to actual Margaritaville and all that stuff too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get myself ready and bring you guys along for the journey. Let's go. All right, so I brought my beach bag. I'm going to be wearing my curly unit that I made the other day. If you didn't get to see the video of how this unit looks when it's completed, but yes, I did actually make this unit myself. I am going to put this on because I wanted to do the water, you know, that water wave look, that kind of thing. For my outfit, I'm actually going to be putting on this dress that I got from Forever 21. Super simple because I know that I have to be able to change out there. So I'm going to put this dress on. And I got these little pasties to kind of hold up my hefty chest. I'm going to see how they work. If they don't, then I'm just going to put on a traditional bra. But this is what I'll be wearing today. Along with my sandals, make it nice and simple so that I can get myself changed and move along real quick. And then I have my purse that I'll be wearing. So my purse for today is going to be my Kurt Geiger purse, this purse here. And then I'm wearing my Kurt Geiger sandals to go along with it. And then just in case, I'm going to, you know, bring my bag with all of my other items that I might need through the day. But this is going to be the outfit for today. Super simple, super cute. So let's get ready. So of course, I need to make sure that my skin is super glossy, super glowy. So I brought our Radiant Glow Body Gloss in Glaze. This is the Peach Please, which everyone knows is my favorite. I brought it with me to Jamaica. As you guys can tell, it's nice and soft. That's the way it's supposed to be. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my legs all glossed up because, listen, I'm not gonna be on this kayak with super not glossy skin. So I wanna make sure that my skin is definitely glowy, definitely glossy. I'm gonna bring it with me just in case I need to be super glowy, you know? But definitely a not to forget when you're going anywhere. But of course, on this tropical island, your girl is going to definitely be glowy skin, glossy skin, you know, kill it kind of skin. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put my hair or get my hair together. So I'm just gonna kind of split my part. Only because my hair is purple on some sides or on some parts. As you guys know, I do not wear a cap under my units because they are glueless, one, but two, I perspire way too much for me to wear anything, period. All right, so I'm gonna put this wig grip on, which I absolutely love, by the way. All right, so wig grip is on. we are headed now to go and get the picture started, and then my sister is going to be recording to see how all of this work. Now let's go. Now the shoot was actually really easy. All I had to do was make sure that I came prepared in regards to like my hair, any makeup, accessories. The dress was provided, and the photographer Roy also had a partner that helped to stretch the dress out. All I had to do was really just follow his directions, and everything else was taken care of. I would say if you're coming here for your birthday, definitely do this shoot. It came out so pretty, and I had my pictures back within 5 minutes after the shoot was complete, and then they provide edits later on. Definitely stay tuned to the end so you can see some of the photos and the drone video from the actual shoot. Now, don't forget, today is my birthday, so make sure that you guys go and shop the sale, EliteHairCareUSA.com and MissCrystalWilliams.com. All of our Elite Hair Care products are 50% off, and all of the Miss Crystal Williams products are 15% off. Now, if you're not following me on Instagram, that is where all the good content, all the juicy stuff, all the me stuff is posted. So definitely go and follow me on Instagram at @Iam_Crystal Williams. And you should already be following the Elite Hair Care page if you haven't already done so. All right, pros. Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA, Crystal Williams Online. So we just finished our kayak shoot with Clear Kayak Jamaica. This is our photographer.
My name is Roy.
All right.
Come see us in Jamaica. Come do the Clear Kayak Photoshoot. We do all different type of packages. Come see us. All right.
All right. Make sure y'all come check them out. Go book them. ClearKayakJamaica.com. Instagram, same thing. TripAdvisor, Google, and are you on Viator too?
Yes.
And Viator. See, come on, you know your girl know this stuff. Like, come on, y'all, just do it, all right? We out.